Greetings fellow coders, Kishore Sharma here from KREDICT and welcome to the 36th episode of our Enchanting JavaScript series. Today we embark on a three-part journey exploring HTML insertion methods. So in this first part, we will unravel the secrets of method like inner HTML and in insert adjacent HTML. So in previous video we have also discussed about inner HTML. If you want to learn in depth the inner HTML, you can check out. So grab your coding vents, let the magic unfold, and let's dive into HTML insertion methods. So this is part 1. The powerful inner HTML. In our coding journey, the spell known as inner HTML as a versatile incantation. It allows us to replace or append HTML content within an element dynamically. Let's witness the power of this spell with captivating examples. So here we have this example. So I will just make a index.html, and in the HTML we will use the emit power. With the exclamation mark we will create boilerplate of HTML. So here we will give a title insertion in HTML. We will just write this. So here we have this script. So just copy this script and paste it into our script tag. So in the script tag we will paste this, and here we have this id name and chested paragraph. So I will write just with the hashtag enchested paragraph. So in the paragraph we have nothing, so we will add this inner HTML strong magical bold with this script. So I will just format document this. So you can see here we have this document formatted. So I hope you are getting this. So here we have const, and with the enchested paragraph document we are selecting this id enchested paragraph, and we will change the text of inner HTML. So we will use enchested paragraph dot inner HTML is equal to, we will using this tag strong for bold with bolding this text. So just go live this. So you can see we have seen this magical bold statement. So if I write anything here also, so you can see it is not transferring here. So I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. So inserting adjacent element with insert adjacent HTML. Another spell in our arsenal in insert adjacent HTML. This incantation provides fine control over where the HTML is inserted, whether before, after, inside, or at the very beginning or end of an element. Prepare to be enchested as we master this spell with precision. So using inner HTML and insert adjacent HTML wisely, as we have built this spell, remember the importance of using them wisely. Each has its strength and nuances. Let's explore this wisdom with practical insight and responsible magic. So here we have this example for you. You have to use this example in your text ID, and you will get how to make insert HTML. So that concludes our first dive into HTML insertion method. If you found this spell intriguing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thought in the comment below. In our next episode, we will continue our exploration, unraveling more secrets and mastering the art of web enchantment. Until then, may your HTML be dynamic and your spell be precise, and happy coding.